in my experience, I think the professional aspect of it really suits both programs very well, between the way that Monmouth had helped prepare me and think. Like, I was a biopsychology major, actually, so research ended up being a big passion for me. I liked more of the psychological aspect, but more of the chemistry, brain aspect of it too. And then actually wasn't until my junior year that I found, oh, nursing. There's nurse practitioners out there. That's a really interesting kind of role. And that's what opened up the door to here. And then joining the OSF program, it just was a very easy transition. And they both just they aided each other very, very well.
I was able to play volleyball and softball at Monmouth. And so I was able to go to college for 4 years and have the college experience, be on my own, play the sports, meet all my friends. I always tell people, because everyone asks me, you went to college for 6 years to get your 2 bachelors. And I'm like, yeah, it was a long time, I will say, but do think that you can kind of get the best of both worlds if you're able to go to college, live there for 4 years, and still get your nursing degree and another degree too.
I think they just really have led me to this path of what I want to do. I love the research aspect, which a lot of my professors at Monmouth taught me how to write. OSF now in their master's program, they are so amazing at teaching me how to write and how to analyze things and really apply the data. Just great stepping stones that all are blending together. A lot of people are like, oh, you probably just wish you went to nursing school then if you wanted to be a nurse. I'm like, I wouldn't give my Monmouth time up for anything, honestly, because I just made a lot of good relationships, and I really feel it added towards my nursing career, significantly.
They're both great colleges, and so I feel like I got something from both colleges in just the 6 years, and I've said it a million times, but being able to do it in 4 years and get the experiences of both schools will be awesome. It will be so good for the new students.